Welcome to Michelle's Morocco. I am so proud to be here with Atlantic Canada Cooks to talk about food and a special ingredient from Canada, maple. We all know the maple leaf, right? So maple leaf produces maple syrup. Yeah, see? The syrup, we churn and then turn it into butter. 100% maple from a tree. We also have sugar, 100% maple. It's just dehydrated, right? So the syrup to the sugar.
Yeah.
No chemicals. So today I'm going to cook with the sugar. Okay? Same flavor for all of them. So for this recipe, if you don't have maple, you can use honey. And we can pass those around. Yay! Everybody taste. You can choose any type of apple, or maybe 2 types of apples. So right now, we're just going to cut all the apples. In the bottom of the pan is butter. Perfect. Butter, apples, okay? And then we're gonna make 2 ingredients. So we'll fill this with apples. On top of the apples, we're gonna use just a few natural seasonings, okay? So we have nutmeg. So we're gonna take, so we get just a bit of the nutmeg. And be careful, nutmeg is strong. Right? And cinnamon, cannelle, right? Yeah, same. Right, so in here, these seasonings with all the apples. We're gonna combine this. Where's my lemon? Lemon, okay. A little bit of the zest, right? The best flavor is in the peeling. More flavor than the juice is in the peeling. So the apples, right? Oops. This is the base, okay? So now we're gonna make the topping. So we have our apples in our base, and we are making maple apple crumble. So now we have the oats, and we're gonna add some sugar, okay? So this is the maple sugar. Okay. And a little bit more cinnamon. Okay. And a little bit more nutmeg. And now we're gonna add butter, melted butter, okay? And now this, we're gonna slowly mix. So we form crumble, chunks, right? Like this. So now we're gonna pull the recipe together, okay? We wanna mix these ingredients again, right? Oh, no more. Enough apples. Good. Safe. Okay. So for this, I'm gonna put just a little bit more sugar. A little bit more sugar, and then we're going to top this. We're gonna use a little bit of, we're gonna use a little bit of lemon in here. No more apples, please stop. There we go. Okay. There we go. And now this is a juice. Just a bit. We should have put that in the container. There we go. Just a little bit for the bottom of the pan, not much. Okay, شوية. شوية. And now, this is the topping, right? So we'll spread this just on the top. Don't stir. No stirring. There. Perfect. So this is sometimes I might add nuts, almonds, right, walnuts, if you want, as you like. You can add nuts. Right? And a little bit more sugar on the top. And because I like cinnamon, just a little. With a little nutmeg. And this is it. Now we bake. Yeah.
How much?
Into the oven for about 35 minutes till the apples are cooked. Cooked apples, right? And this gets crispy. So right there? So as we sit in the topping is where you would have put nuts if you wanted to add, right? Just a few nuts. There. Any nuts. Whatever you want. Yeah. Your choice. And there we go.
But they like the recipe. They are asking me to they gonna try it.
Good. Good. There we go. We hope that you have enjoyed this exciting episode of Atlantic Canada Cooks. I couldn't be more excited to have had the opportunity to cook with so many cooks. And many of them are training to be professional chefs. But you know what? When you're here in Morocco, you are going to start with the freshest, authentic ingredients in your recipes. So over here, we're going to have a look at that recipe, and please take the opportunity to make this at home. And we know you don't always have maple, but you can use honey as a substitute. So thank you so much. And this is my first time to see my recipe written in Arabic, and it looks absolutely amazing.